All right, folks, let's do something helpful. Let's organize our layers. So first of all, I'm going to undock the layer panel. I'm going to click on the word layer, drag it over, stretch it down using the arrows to stretch it down so I can see everything going on. I can make it wider if I need to see more as well by holding my mouse right here and hmm, hmm, right here. All right. Now, I already named my layers right here, and I double clicked and named the original text layer original text. Cool. Now I want to group this my cutouts and then put them kind of away so I can use my layer panel more optimally. So on my first layer up here, I'm going to right click and go ahead and press new group. I'm going to call this group clipping mask text. Okay. And now I'm going to take my E, hold shift, click on all of the different layers that had the clipping mask text. Holding shift allowed me to select multiple things at one time. Now I'm done pressing shift. I'm going to click back on the E, click and drag, bring it on top of the clicking mask, let go. Everything shifted over just a tiny bit to the right. And if I press this little arrow right to the left of the folder, it will collapse all of that so that my layers are much easier to see and to manage moving forward. So my recommendation is to always name your layers, group layers when you're done with them, or group layers that all of these words need to remain on the same plane or layer. And in the next video, we will add some background, some more images, some more text. Let's keep going.